Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to activate the hit marks or hide the hit marks in Dying Light the Beast. Start by pressing the O button on your keyboard to open the settings, or move your mouse over here and open options. Now move to the HUD section and scroll down to find the crosshairs. And now the second option, it will be Hitmark, so it highlights hits landed on enemies. So if you want to leave it on, then it's okay, but if you don't like to see the highlights hits, then you should completely switch it off by using this toggle over here. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!